Welcome to the Top 4 Earn channel. The 2 steps you need to follow can make you a millionaire in just a couple of minutes. It's quick and easy, and it only requires a few minutes. You do not have to worry about where you are in the world because you just need a mobile phone to start earning up to $600. The bad thing about most beginners is that they have made some mistakes that led them to not be able to earn money, and worst case scenario is that they fail to withdraw their earnings. My mission is to show you how to avoid these mistakes and to give you tips to double your earnings. Top 4 Earn. Welcome to the channel where I teach you how to make money online and make more money than others. Make sure not to miss out on this one because you can make more money than others. If you have any questions, concerns, or suggestions, please leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell. Now let's get started. Now going back to our topic today, I want you to go to the first app we're going to check out. This app is called Foke. Foke is a huge library of high quality and high resolution photos. There are 2 groups of people in this app: the buyers, which are the ones who look to buy different photos every single day. Believe it or not, but there are hundreds of people who shop in Foke just to look for a photo to purchase. And the second one is the sellers. These are the people who post their photos and sell them, and that is exactly the one I will tell you and how you can earn money using this application. No worries about taking your photos, or if you need a skill for graphic skill, because you don't need it. No need for any camera or technical skills. In a few minutes I will show you a few secret websites where you can find a fully automated photo that can be re-uploaded in Foke, and you can start earning from 100 to 200 as soon as today. Let's start by going to the home page of Foke. Clicking the For Creators button, and on the drag down click the Sell Your Content button, you will be redirected to its page where you can read the caption that says time to make extra money with your videos and photos. You can also have a button there where you can download the app on your mobile phone, but if you are an Android user you can go directly to Google Play and then search for Foke app and download it. If you are using an iPhone, just go to your app store, search for it, then download. This app is downloadable for free. If we will check the entire library of the app, you will be able to see so many photos that are in high resolution and high quality, and they're making a lot of money here. One good thing about Foke is they give a passive income. If you upload a photo in this app or website today, you don't receive money just one time, because you can still receive commission next week, next month, or even next year. That is so fantastic. You rest assured, because the photo you uploaded will stay in the Foke app or website forever, well, as long as the Foke is alive on the internet. Did you know that every single month there are millions of businesses that visit Foke to browse different photos and then purchase them? I know, right? It's good money making online with a passive income. Usually for every single photo they're going to charge you $10, and you might be wondering right now how much money you can earn from this website. On its main homepage it was stated there that 50 of the profit goes to you, while the other 50% of profit will go to Foke. They are taking 50% of a profit because they will follow the photos that you uploaded automatically 24/7. They are well established and work with different brands. They receive millions of visitors. You see, you don't need to do anything big, just simply copy the photos and paste them to the platform, and you can start receiving passive income every single day. I will show you something interesting about Foke. Aside from selling different photos, you can also join different missions that have rewards. Some missions have 300 rewards, 800 rewards, even up to $1,000 rewards. You can join this mission every single week by uploading photos based on the theme that they will provide, like Christmas or holiday, so you can earn extra money as well. Keep your focus here, because before this video ends I will show you the secret website where you can find photos that are super high quality, and you can copy and paste it and start earning info. But before going to the secret website, I will show you another free app where you can earn cash. Go to shutterstock.com. It's similar to Foke. They also have a huge library of high resolution and high quality photos where every day you can buy different pictures. You can also be one of the contributors and upload some photos and start earning money every day. The coolest thing is you can upload the same photo on Shutterstock and Foke. The more websites you sign up for, the more money you can earn as well. Some people are going to check out photos in Foke, while some are going to check out Shutterstock to make a purchase. You can literally copy different photos and build different passive incomes. Once again, going back to Shutterstock's homepage, click the Get Started button and you will be brought up to a page where you need to fill out some information to sign up for an account. You'll provide your full name, display name, email address and password. As I've promised you, I will show you the secret website that I've mentioned from the start of this video, and it's free, where you can download high-resolution images. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's go to the website burst.shopify.com. This is where you can find different images or photos in high quality and high resolution. It's separated from different categories like work from home, baking, fashion, women, fitness and so much more categories. No need to invest here because this is 100% free. By using your mobile phone or computer, you can now download the image you want. There's a high resolution image and a low resolution image, but of course I highly recommend downloading the high resolution one. Okay, so you can be paid and earn a lot of money online. As always, I will do my best to help you make money online. So I have another alternative website that I want to share with you. It's called PicWizard. Just visit picwizard.com and you will see over 1 million different images in high quality that you can download for free. Once again, you don't need to make your own photo or any technical skills here. Just click the image you want and hit the download button. The next step, once you're done downloading your image, you can start uploading it to Fob or Shutterstock websites and start receiving commissions and passive income every day. There are a lot of people who have earned a lot from this website, and you can be one of them as well. So go check out that website that I've shown you and start earning a lot as soon as today. If you found this video informative, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and keep watching for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.